Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here today to share with you another Make It Monday tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you 3 cards that I created using the online exclusive Grow with Love. So this stamp set has a variety of things that you grow in the garden: mint, basil, rosemary. And so I took a stamped image of the mint, and it says mint right on the stamp, and I stamped that down in Mossy Meadow. I stamped the thanks so much in Mossy Meadow, and then I cut out with the stylish shape rectangles the thanks so much with white, and the larger one going this way with Mossy Meadow. And that's just how simple this clean and simple little thank you is, and you can decorate the inside however you want. And that's card number 1. Card number 2, I used all of those stamps from the image, not every single one, but I used 3 of these. This is thyme, rosemary, and basil. And I just mounted that on a Mossy Meadow, and then a piece of crumb cake, another Mossy Meadow panel, and then stamped the images on the white. I used garden green, crumb cake, and old olive. Nope, I'm sorry, not old olive, Mossy Meadow to match the cardstock. So all of the supplies and all the measurements will be on my blog at blessedbycards.com. You can download a free PDF project sheet. So our last card here is an early espresso card, and I just used the rosemary, and I didn't stamp where you're seeing the rosemary or the stems. I just kind of did like a little wheat field. And I just thought this would be a nice masculine thinking of you. And so that's early espresso with a little bit of crumb cake and a basic white. And I stamped in early espresso the thinking of you with you in mind, that stamp set. Those are great large images. So this is the 3rd card, and that is a super, super simple 3-card set for Grow with Love as an online exclusive. So hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com and download your free project sheet, and you can shop 24/7 on my blog, and you can see all the other online exclusives that we have available. So that's all I have for this Monday. Thanks for watching. Join me next week for another Make It Monday, and on Wednesday for a Weekly Wednesday. And until then, be blessed.